The syllable gu means darkness and ru means the one who dispels it. Our gurus remove the darkness of ignorance and ignite the flame of knowledge within us. So for this wonderful event, I extend a warm welcome to our chairman sir and correspondent ma'am, and a special welcome to our principal ma'am and teachers and my dear students who have gathered here to make this event memorable. Once again, I welcome you all for this auspicious morning. Thank you.
विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः ज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः ऋस्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः
குருவின்றி அறிவில்லை, குருவின்றி நான்மா இல்லை, குருவருள் இல்லையே குருவருள் இல்லை. அவர்களின் அறிவுரைகளை பின்பற்றி நல்ல மாணவர்களாகவும் நல்ல மனிதர்களாகவும் வளர உறுதியேற்போம். இத்துடன் என் உரையை முடித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நான் உங்கள் காட்டு விக்கரையா வெற்றி மேல்நிலைப்பள்ளி மாணவி சேகரசன்யா. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Pleasant good morning to our honorable founder sir, our respected correspondent ma'am, our teachers and my dear students. We have all gathered here for a wonderful occasion to celebrate Guru Purnima. I think you all know the importance of Guru Purnima. This is the day are filled with lot of darkness. He should not know what is the right and what is the right thing to do. So what the teachers is going to do? They are going to teach us how we should behave as a student, as a children, and also as a good citizen of our country. So each and every person know their rules, regulations, and also the respects. But he doesn't know where we have to produce this. For this reason, they had given the teachers to frame them in a grow and enlightened way. So everything has to grow with the positive things. Enlightenment comes from the darkness we are doing. So we have to respect our teachers as they are the way for removing the ignorance in our life. So this is the auspicious day. We have to remember our teachers. Are you ready, students? You will always respect your teachers. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் புதிய காரணம் இன்று நாம் குரு பூஜனம் என்ற புனித நாளை கொண்டாட மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம் என்ற பழமொழி குருவின் உயர்ந்ததை உணர்த்துகிறது. நல்ல கல்வியை மட்டுமல்ல, நல்ல பண்பு, ஒழுக்கம் மற்றும் வாழ்க்கையின் மதிப்புகளை உணர்த்துகிறது. இறுதியாக ஆசிரியர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தெரிவித்து
and teachers and all today we have gathered here to celebrate Guru Purnima, a very special day to honor our teachers and leaders. Guru is someone who removes darkness from our life and brings light into our lives. In daily life we face many challenges and doubts. Teachers are the ones who guide us, correct us, and teach us good values. In this good day, auspicious day, I would like to thank all the wonderful teachers for teaching us, supporting us, and guiding us. Wishing you all a very happy good Guru Purnima. Thank you to all.
Good morning everyone. Today I am honored to speak about a few words about Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a special festival celebrating to respect our guardians, to respect our teachers and parents who guide us with knowledge, wisdom and values. The word Guru means one who removes the darkness of ignorance of faith and lives lives of the light of knowledge. Teachers inspire kind, discipline and responsible human beings. On the special day, let us express to heartfelt teachers, all our teachers. Thank you.